Hey, what's up my people? Jeremy Anderson here. I'm an author, educator, and motivational speaker, and I've been privileged to travel the world with my message of next level living. Now, I wasn't always the positive author and speaker and husband and father that I am today. There was a time in my life when I was broken, where I felt abandoned. I struggled with school. I failed and went to 3 different schools for the 9th grade, battled with ADHD and drug and alcohol abuse. I had issues, but guess what? I bounced back. And so for the past 8 years, I've been working with schools all over the globe, helping their students go to the next level and helping teachers see the power and potential in every single student. So me and my team, we are eager to create as much content and add as much value as we can in schools all over the globe. So we've created the video series Next Level Students that comes out every single Monday, and I've written the book Next Level Teaching for educators all over the country, but now we're creating a curriculum that can help take your students to the next level. The #1 complaint I get when I go to schools and they say, Jeremy, we wish we could keep you here. The students have a connection with you and I want to stay connected to them. But the reality is I can't. So me and my team of educators that have over 54 years of classroom experience have created our curriculum entitled Next Level Students. We are so excited about this curriculum because not only is this something that the kids will be engaged with and they'll look forward to, but it's also something that we created to be aligned with the Common Core standards and can also be implemented with PBIS. So the curriculum is broken into 4 modules. And each module has 7 lessons, which presents us with 28 lessons total. Module 1 deals with your best self. There we'll be looking really deeply into the character of the students, and we'll be talking about their purpose, the negative effects of drug and alcohol abuse, responsibility and accountability. How can they be the best versions of themselves? In Module 2, we look at the student in relation to their family. Do you know that 24 million students in our country today live in fatherless homes? Many of those students have low self-worth. They feel like they're an accident, they're a mistake. They feel rejected, and that can have severe negative effects on how they view life and education. Many of these students who they see their mom and dad struggles, their mom and dad have mistakes, they feel like they're inclined to make those same mistakes. So in Module 2, we let them know that just because your family might have struggled with some things, you can go to the next level and you don't have to have those same issues. Module 3, we're looking at the student in relation to their school. We're talking about the importance of respecting teachers. I am clear to highlight the sacrifice that educators make every single day to help these students go to the next level. We talk about the negative effects of bullying and how you can fight bullying and overcome that, and we harness really deeply into the value of education. In Module 4, it's all about the students and their future. We look at the importance of college. We look at how their dreams can come true and how they've been experienced to have and attain amazing things. We look really deeply into their future and what they can experience out of life. And so in Module 4, we want these students to know that you've been born to make a mark in the world, and that's what we're talking about in Module 4. We really believe that this curriculum will be a game changer for your school and for your district. So visit jeremyanderson.org and let's see how we can partner together to take your school to the next level.